guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Offbeat Couple. It's me, Rimpi Sangvi, and you guys have usually seen me travel around the globe from one part of the world to another. And while all this travel looks very appealing, there is a lot of hard work behind it with absolutely no time for self-care. So it was finally time for me to focus on my hair, and I want to share this overall experience of my haircare journey with you guys. I went in for a haircare session at Talent's salon and got the Seri Expert treatment by L'Oreal Professionnel. My hairdresser at Talent's salon examined my hair and did a thorough consultation. Since I have colored hair with lot of damage, he recommended the Vitamino color treatment. Seri Expert has a wide range of products for all types of hair concerns. And as per my hairdresser, the L'Oreal Professionnel Vitamino color range would be best suited for treating my colored hair. The process was extremely personalized. Step 1. He started by cleansing my hair with the L'Oreal Professionnel Vitamino Color Shampoo. Step 2. He applied the L'Oreal Professionnel Vitamino Color Mask along with the serum on my lens to deeply nourish the hair. Step 3 followed by using their star product, which is their L'Oreal Professionnel Vitamino Acidic Sealer, a shine sealing rinse out lotion which helps to lock in the treatment and give long lasting results. Step 4, which is the last step, is to apply L'Oreal Professionnel Absolute Repair 10-in-1 oil, which gives a shine to the hair and makes it feel smoother. Hairdresser also recommended me to use the at-home Vitamino Color haircare range to ensure my hair stays nourished. Guys, I feel that the L'Oreal Professionnel Vitamino Color treatment is ideal for people with colored hair like mine. It acts as a top coat of shine and helps seal the hair color. My hair feels softer, smoother and shinier. In fact, my hairdresser also told me that this range provides up to 8 weeks of color protection. I just can't stop loving how my hair feels. So if you have colored hair like me and are facing difficulty in managing it, you must definitely try this treatment at your nearest L'Oreal Professionnel partner salons. The best part about the Seri Expert treatment is that it is personalized as per your hair concerns. Be it dryness, frizziness, managing your hair color or even maintaining long hair. The L'Oreal Professionnel Seri Expert range is your one-stop solution for everything. Thanks for watching this video and hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep flaunting those beautiful tresses.